everybody, welcome back to my channel. For those of y'all that are new, my name is Denise Marie, and in today's video I am going to be sharing a quick and easy dinner. It's actually a meal prepped dinner that we purchased from our local grocery store, which is H-E-B here in Texas. So we just wanted to share that with you and hopefully inspire you with our easy quick meal. All right, let's get started. Okay, so as you can see, we've already started taking everything out of the meal prepped package. And basically what we're going to be making is chicken tortilla soup. It actually gives you two choices of two different meals you can make with this meal prepped package. It has, one would be the chicken tortilla soup, and I'll show you in just a moment. The other thing is going to be a chicken casserole. And the chicken tortilla soup was what we originally had in mind, so we just went ahead and stuck with that. And then of course you can see we've already started chopping up our jalapenos. The thing I love about this is that it did come with everything you needed. It says it makes about 4 to 5 servings, and there is 4 of us here, so that was just enough for us. But yeah. So the ingredients that come in the recipe are corn, bell pepper, onion, garlic, a serrano pepper, not an onion pepper, to correct myself from earlier, a lime, cut up tomato, a spice packet, the cilantro, and also the chips and cheese, and then the chicken as well. So the directions say to go ahead and preheat your pan. After you've preheated your pan, add I believe it's a tablespoon of olive oil. Once that is nice and hot, I'm going to go ahead and add all the vegetable ingredients first. So I'm going to add the onion, the bell pepper, the garlic, the corn, and the serrano pepper, not the tomato, not yet. So I'm going to go ahead and add all of that into the pan, and I'm going to cook that for about 5 minutes. Okay, so now that has cooked for 5 minutes, we're going to go ahead and add in our chopped tomato. And we're also going to go ahead and add in our chicken as well, and that cook for about another 5 minutes. So now that it's been 5 minutes, we are going to be adding in our water, and it calls for 4 cups of water. Okay, so now that you added your 4 cups of water, you're going to go ahead and add in your spice mix. And I'm just going to give that a nice stir, and I will bring it to a boil. It says you're to bring it to a boil, and then let it cook for, after you brought it to a boil, you're going to let it cook on a simmer for about 15 minutes. Okay, so now that it's done, I'm going to go ahead and give it a quick stir, and I'm going to add all the lime juice into the soup, and I'm also going to add most of the cilantro in there. I am going to keep a little bit to the side so I can garnish mine and my husband's soups. And then we will also cut up a couple of slices of avocado because we love to add avocado in our soup as well. And we will be done. So we really enjoyed the way this recipe came out. The last thing we added was the cheese and the chips and then garnished it with the cilantro. We really enjoyed this quick and easy meal. I hope I inspired you to make it as well. And if you do, definitely leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Also tag me on Instagram at Denise at home. And see you in the next video. Bye. Do you like it? Would you eat it again? Sure. Woo.